Hi there, guys. So my voice is still a little bit off because I'm sick, but I've tidied up the room a little bit, at least, you know, just so I can show you while we're sitting, while we're streaming and playing games. You can see the new monitors are fitted. So the desk is all sorted. It is the secret lab. So amazing desk. You can raise it. You see, you got the little controllers in there. You can raise it up and down. You can stand while you're gaming. It's absolutely fantastic. So is the chair. The chair is also a Seagate lab. And I can highly recommend the gear. I do love it. It's probably the most comfortable setup I've ever had. So is those two monitors. Absolutely fantastic view. 4K 240 Hz OLED. Absolutely amazing. We're playing Assassin's Creed right now, but nonetheless, you can see cables sorted, PC set up. So this is what it looks like while we're playing. You've got a microphone, mouse, camera, the stream key, or the key light, I should say. The only thing left to do for me is to set up my stream deck, because I haven't touched that yet. But anyways, you can look on a cool collection of gear in there. See, I do love Assassin's Creed, so that's there. We got some more stuff in here if you do want to look. Tequila, that's straight from Mexico. Really cool stuff. Some more goodies, some more toys. Well, I shouldn't call them toys really, because I always hate it when people do that to me. They call them the toys, but the figurines, collectibles. We got some Destiny 2. Look at this. This still is packed. I haven't touched it, and that's the Division. So yeah, guys, that's my little tiny room. It is a little bit tighter than the last time. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what I can add. What else you would like to see. Well, there you go. It's our official NightVatch community cap. Still have it. I need more. Right. I'll catch you Wednesday on the stream. Much love.